All right, today we're here at this fish and chips truck here. For those of you that don't know, many years ago I worked in Alaska on a cod fishing boat, factory trawler as a matter of fact, and I know good cod. So they've got fish and chips, they've got salmon, they've got lobster rolls. We're gonna check it out. So you can see here they got wild Alaskan cod and salmon, organic fish and chips. It's their logo, fishonchips.com. All right, taking a look at this menu. Looks pretty good. The images so you can see what you're getting.
They're out of the coleslaw.
They're out of the coleslaw. That's a bummer. All right, guys, we went ahead and just brought this food home, and we're gonna take a look, give it a try. So we got the lobster roll, which normally just comes by itself, but they gave us fries because the coleslaw was out. But here is the fish. So we got salmon and we got cod in there. Your batter looks excellent. Let's give that a try first. Actually, let's try one of these fries. They're stuck together there. Got a good crunch. Got a good seasoning on the outside. Pretty good. I don't know which is which. Let's see if I can tell between the cod and the salmon here. So we'll just have to break it up. And that's salmon, okay? There's a little pink tone to it. We'll try it by itself. Batter's great. Fish is cooked perfectly. It's not overcooked. It's not undercooked. A good texture. They give some tartar sauce here. Let's try it with their homemade tartar. Excellent. Now let's try the cod. That's definitely the cod. Again, we'll try that by itself. That batter is on point. Definitely. Try the sauce. I'm really liking it, guys. Now the lobster roll looks a little sloppy to me. It already broke. I looked. Oops, there's a French fry. It broke on the bottom side there. But let's give it a try. Need some sauce. I love lobster. That's so good. I think this is kind of a Hawaiian sweetbread type of roll. So it's really, really sweet, which complements a sweet lobster. It's good. If I were to guess, that's probably a 1 pound lobster stuffed into there, you know. It usually has around about a 4 ounce tail, and then they put the claws in there. So that's about all the meat it gets. And the bun really isn't any bigger than a standard hot dog bun. So that's what you're looking at there for price. I think I'd definitely try these guys again. They say they travel all over. They're here in Utah. Go up to Idaho and down south to like St. George and whatnot. So if you see them, give them a try. Their website's there on their truck, so you can look them up and find out where they're going to be.